This is Lakshamanpur beach number 2. So we are headed for Natural Bridge 1. There are so many numbers in what I have just said.
Yeah, that's true. You don't always carry a happy face on a trip, even at the place like Andamans. And there is a reason for this. Once again, I found myself on the ferry that has tinted glasses and confined space. This is the story of every private ferry here in Andamans. You are not allowed to go on the decks. You can't feel the fresh air and you can't see the natural colors. So this was our ride to the Neil Island from Havelock Island. You might have to lurk from somewhere to see natural colors outside. All I could do was to shoot some hyperlapse videos. We reached the Neil Island jetty after an hour-long journey. Unlike Havelock Island, where you get the scooters and bikes as soon as you get out of the jetty, we have to walk around half a kilometer here to get to the nearest bike shop. We didn't feel much of the fuel in scooters as Neil Island is a small island and we were here just for one day. So we got to the place which was near Sitapur beach. It was a nice, quiet place and we were staying in a bamboo hut. They have a restaurant where they use vegetables which are grown in-house. So we had a brunch there. After a while, we packed our all camera gears and beach essentials and headed for our first destination. It felt like there was less tourists on Neil Island as compared to Havelock Island.
So we are in Neil Island and this is Lakshamanpur beach number 2. So we are headed for Natural Bridge 1. There are so many numbers in what I have just said. It's Lakshamanpur beach number 2 and Natural Bridge number 1. That's where we are headed, and this is how the way to that point is. So what they are saying that there is a lot of marine biodiversity that we can see here because water recedes and water gets trapped in these shallow corals and fish get trapped as well. So we might see them. And yeah, most important thing, you have to visit it in low tide hours, which is in afternoon. Oh, so here we have the first natural bridge. It was very close. Okay. So it's around 2 p.m. and as you can see, a lot of people have come up for the natural bridge. This is natural bridge number 1. And this is I was talking about. Water has been trapped and there are fishes inside it.
2 p.m. even in winter weather without any shade in tropical place is a very harsh time. The direct sunlight on your head may fuse it up. But we were keen to get to the National Bridge number 2, where no one was going. One important information for you guys, it is explicitly mentioned here that drones are not allowed, so be aware of it. If you are interested in watching the marine biodiversity, you should come along the same way we did. But there is one more way, which I think would have been more comfortable, and it was through the ridge above. I wanted to go near those giant trees. I think that would have been more interesting as I am not much interested in marine biodiversity. These small water containments here and there contains lot of varieties of fishes, crabs and corals. In afternoon, visiting Natural Bridge is the only thing to do in Neil Island. There are few scuba dive centers here too, but we had already done that. Now here, look closer. I had made a terrible mistake at this moment. Can you see my DSLR? Actually, I just kept it on the rock while tying my shoelace. Then, I forgot to take it back. The temperature was very high and any overheating could have caused some serious damage to the camera. But unaware about it, we went further, leaving our camera to this extreme environment.
So we are on our way to Natural Bridge number 2. And there was the Natural Bridge number 1. Trees are huge. So this is the extreme end of Lakshamanpur Beach 2, and on my right, that side is Natural Bridge number 2. I'm on the left of it. Okay, so there is sea. We cannot go any further from this. That seems to be Rose Island, and this is the coastal of Radhanagar, and this is south of Neil. This shoreline is south of Neil, and that's totally south. That's southeast, and this is the end from the left side of the Natural Bridge number 2. So I think the only way to get there is through it, under it. So that is Natural Bridge number 2, and we are going back. Actually, Bridge number 2 is narrower than Bridge number 1, and we are not going there because crew is not interested. Crew says to get back. They want to relax, so that's why we are heading back to the main island, and we'll go to Lakshamanpur Beach number 1, and on the way we'll capture some shots.
So even after getting so close to the bridge, we didn't went under it. The sun was too harsh and we certainly lost our cool. Also, it was almost time for sunset, so we headed for Lakshamanpur Beach number 2. On the way, we stopped to capture some photos of this unique vegetation of the island.
So total chilling today. No filming, nothing. Just watching and eating.